Is it getting cold?
Maybe.
We gotta get some more antidote. How much more time left?
12 minutes till sundown.
We'll never make it.
What do you mean? Tell me. Tell me how we're gonna make it.
I can't. You were right. There's not enough time. Where are you going, Chuck? Chuck!
Bladed intervals divided by the water pressure, and then multiply that by 6.
Chuck. Chuck!
.20 latitude north.
What happened?
Pressure-velocity ratios.
Where am I?
We're at the professor's water pump intake pipe. In the professor's lab, there is a bottle of anti-fish potion. To get to it, we have to swim through the pump system. The bottle is on the professor's work table, so we have to flood the lab in order to...
Whoa, wait. That pump will chew us up, and even if we do make it in one piece, we'd end up in the aquarium with the piranha.
Hand me the screwdriver and thread.
What? Did you hear what I just said?
Down by your tail. Screwdriver and thread. No, Stella, wait. You can't take Sasha with you. Where we're going is too dangerous for little fish like her.
Sasha's my friend. She's going to stay with me.
I'll let her keep her. We'll never get out of here anyway.
Yes, we will. Stella, say goodbye.
You have to go, Sasha. No, Sasha, go now. I'll miss you, but you have to go. No, Sasha, stay. Goodbye, Sasha.